Good Saturday morning and welcome to Salcedo village in Manila. As you can see, it's a market here in the background. A lot of tasty things that you can try out. I was actually here last Saturday walking around, so I'm not going to eat anything today because I am actually fasting. But in the background you can see it's a lot of mixed food, everything from like Chinese to local food, fresh seafood, a lot of fruits, quite international selection. So I'm gonna just show some examples here in the background. Maybe I'll come back and eat another day. But as mentioned, I'm fasting because it's been a pretty crazy year, to be honest. Not complaining, but it's been a lot of travel for work and also moving here from Beijing. So my diet hasn't exactly been on point, but I'm gonna change that now. I had my last kind of a big work-related event yesterday. So today, finally, I can get some breathing room here, a few weeks. But of course, really looking forward to exploring what is on offer here in Manila. And I'm thinking a few things. I want to find some sort of like-minded group, maybe of active, fitness people. So actually one thing I've been thinking about is Muay Thai, or like Thai kickboxing, I guess. My coordination is quite horrible, so I want to get that up a bit better. And tonight I'm going to go to an event actually with internations at one of the bars I showed last time, actually. Dr. Wine in Poblacion, maybe meet some interesting people there. But if you're around here in Manila, want to meet up and discuss fitness, nutrition, international business, whatever, living abroad, these kind of experiences would be cool to connect, so let me know. But now I'm just gonna walk around here a little bit. Later when I get back, probably gonna cook a healthy lunch, I think with just eggs and kimchi. Tonight probably something as well, but just gonna keep on active, enjoy the nice weather. And also I'm thinking for where to go actually next year, 2025. Of course, I've heard many good things here. For example, Nido, Siargao, Coron, Palawan, many places. So if you have some gems you want to share with me that I should go and explore, let me know. But actually up next here, the next weekend, I'm going to Japan, Kyoto and Osaka. Get to explore that, have some fine Japanese food. So I'm just getting steep on track a little bit here with the food and the exercise coming days before traveling again. So just wanted to share a little bit in the background here, walking around all these big buildings, a lot of cool stuff in Manila. And we'll keep you up to this short vlog here. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, write some comments if you have tips, and then see you in the next video.